Good afternoon, students. Now, today I am going to explain about oxo acids of phosphorus. Now, here, actually, it is the one of now in this one. So, it is like one type of trick how to write that phosphorus. Okay, oxo acids of phosphorus like that one. But here, now we want to learn about that different type of oxides and how do you write that structures for that each and every oxides. Okay, now that concept is oxo acids of phosphorus. Okay, students, this one is the oxo acids of phosphorus. Okay, oxo acids of phosphorus. Okay, now these are the oxides. Okay, oxo acids of phosphorus. Phosphorus forming number of oxo acids. Phosphorus can form different type of oxo acids. Now, here I'm going to explain about the two types of oxo acids. Now that is the first one is ic acids. Okay, first one is the ic acids. So here, based on that oxygen atoms, based on that oxygen atoms, we have to discuss the two ways. So one is the ic acids and the second one is us acids. Okay, students. So this one is the us acids. So in these oxo acids, the reference, that means a reference molecule is orthophosphoric acid. Okay, orthophosphoric acid. So we want to take that orthophosphoric acid. So actually, and now this the H3PO4 is the orthophosphoric acid. Okay, that one is H3, and next one is the PO4 compound. Okay, H3PO4. PO4. Now here the structural representation of H3PO4 is so this is the first of all you have to write the phosphorus and double bond with oxygen and here one OH group and here also same one OH group and this is also same one OH group. Okay, the name of this one is the okay now that one is orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric okay acid compound. Orthophosphoric acid. So this is the first reference acid. So we have to use that orthophosphoric acid. So by using this monomer unit, by using this single unit, I want to prepare that pyrophosphoric acid also. Okay, now it is possible to prepare the pyrophosphoric acid. Now how do you prepare that pyrophosphoric acids? So actually I want to take the 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid. Now that means here OH group and here this is the C double bond O and OH group and here also same thing, this is the OH group. Now here I want to take that one more same kind of molecule. So this is the P double bond O group and here also OH group and here will be the same kind of group. Okay. Now what I am doing here on heating, okay, on heating process, removal of water molecule. Is it clear now? Removal of water molecule. On heating, it removes the one water molecule. Then we have to, that means we should get that this type of compound. Now that is the OH group and here P double bond O and here also OH group. Okay. Now here oxygen atom. This is the connecting phosphorus. Oxygen. Okay. Here will be the same OH group and here also same OH group. Okay. So these are the compound. That means this is the product which is formed by that by heating with 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid. Now here we want to take that. Now here it is the 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid. Okay, I will write here. This one is the 2 moles of okay orthophosphoric acid. Okay, now phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid. The compound name is pyrophosphoric acid. Okay, the compound name is the pyro. Okay, phosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid compound. Pyrophosphoric acid compound. Now, what is the formula here? H4. Is it clear now? So that means 4 hydrogen atoms. H4 and next the P2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now that means this one is the seven oxygen atoms. Is it clear now? Seven oxygen atoms. So in first one, orthophosphoric acid, and second molecule is the pyrophosphoric acid. Actually, pyrophosphoric acid has prepared, which is prepared by the heating of 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid compound. Okay, heating of 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid. Is it clear now? So this is the one type of, that means now here we have prepared, that means we saw two types of compound actually. Okay, now first one is the orthophosphoric acid compound is over, and second one the pyrophosphoric acid compound also over. Then we want to take that one more compound here. One more compound here. Now actually again you have to take that one more, that means from this combination also. Okay, from this molecule, from the pyrophosphoric acid, you have to remove one oxygen atom. Okay, now pyrophosphoric acid, you have to remove one oxygen atom. Okay, then what happens here? I will write here. Okay, I will write here. So once again I will okay, I will be erase these things. Okay, now actually I want to go on next one. Actually, you have to take that this molecule. So this one is the P double bond O, and here will be the OH group, and here also what about that one here? Now here also same thing, OH group and oxygen. This is the phosphorus, oxygen and OH group. Okay, here will be the OH group. So again you have to remove that one more oxygen atom. Okay, now one more oxygen atom, removal of, okay na, removal of oxygen, removal of oxygen. So here if you remove the one oxygen atom, if you remove the one oxygen atom, you should get this type of molecule. Then what happens in, so OH group is same, and here same. Okay, P double bond group, and here also OH group and bond. Okay, this is the phosphorus double bond O group. And what happened here? And now this is also OH group is there, and here will be the same OH group. Okay, the compound name is hypophosphoric acid. Okay, now this one is the HYPO, hypophosphoric acid. Okay, hypophosphoric acid. What is the formula here? So that one is the H4 and P2O6. Okay, now H4P2O6. Is it clear now? H4P2O6. In case of pyrophosphoric acid, what is the formula? H4P2O7. Okay, in case of pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. Okay, now so these are the compounds actually. Okay, but again I have to take that same monomer. Now that is the orthophosphoric acid. Okay, orthophosphoric acid. By using the orthophosphoric acid, you have to prepare that one more molecule. So this the P double bond O. Now here OH group, and again OH group, and this one is the OH group. Now from this molecule, is it clear now? From this molecule, simply you have add that one oxygen atom. Okay, now so that one is the addition of oxygen, addition of oxygen. So then we should get this type of compound. Okay, now here OH group will be the same, and here also OH group is same, but here what happens here? Now one oxygen atom is okay now present, or one oxygen atom is added here. So this is the peroxy linkage. Okay, now this one is the peroxy linkage. Is it clear now? Peroxy linkage. Okay, this linkage is called as peroxy linkage. So its name is okay, now, peroxy monophosphoric acid. Okay, now, the compound name is the peroxy monophosphoric acid. Okay, this one is the peroxy monophosphoric acid. Okay, peroxy monophosphoric acid. Is it clear now? Peroxy monophosphoric acid. It will be over. And again, you have to take the same type of single unit or single monomer. Okay, now that is now again same compound. Okay, C double bond O, and here OH group, and here will be the OH group, and here also same thing OH. Okay, on heating. Okay, on the heating process, removal of water molecule. Is it clear now? Removal of water molecule. So after removing the water molecule, what are the retaining product? Which one is the retaining product here? So phosphorus is same, and here also same thing. Okay, water molecule is removed now. So actually you have to write that one more OH group is there. Okay, it's okay. but remaining one is the this the dative bond. Okay, oxygen. So this type of molecule is called as metaphosphoric acid. Okay, now this one is the metaphosphoric acid compound. Is it clear now? Metaphosphoric acid compound. Okay, it will be clear. Metaphosphoric acid compound. So up to here we have to prepare that four compounds. Okay, now one is the orthophosphoric acid and pyrophosphoric acid. Okay, now next one is the hypophosphoric acid, and next the metaphosphoric acid. And second category, we know that second type of oxides, now that is the Hus acids. Is it clear now? Hus acids. Now we want to talk about second category. Now that is the Hus acids. Okay. Now second one is Hus acid type of compounds. Okay. Hus acids here. So Hus means less number of oxygen atoms actually. Ick means more number of oxygen atoms. Okay. Hus means less number of oxygen atoms. Okay. Ick means more number of, it contains the more number of oxygen atoms. So first of all, here also same thing. The reference compound is orthophosphoric acid compound. Here this one is the OH group, and here also OH group. Okay, now it is also same OH group. Orthophosphoric acid. Okay, now this compound name is the orthophosphoric. Okay, orthophosphoric acid. So simply from this molecule or from this compound, you have to remove one oxygen atom. Okay, now so this one is removal of oxygen atom. Okay, removal of oxygen atom. Then you should get this type of compound hydrogen. Okay, phosphorus, double bond, and OH group, and here also same thing OH group. Okay, now this compound name is phosphorus acid. Okay, this compound name is the okay phosphorus acid compound. Its formula is the H3PO3 compound. Is it clear now? H3PO3 compound. So this is the way. Then you have to take that here also same thing. I am erasing this thing only. I want now for our place. Okay, now for our space I want to get I want to erase here to get the more place here. So due to that actually I am erasing here. Next, now come to our point. So here I want to take this one only. So I want to take that same kind of molecules, that means this them. Now here in this case I want to use the two moles of like this one. Okay, two moles of this compound actually. So here is the hydrogen and P double bond O, and here also OH group, and here OH group again. Okay, now this one is OH group and phosphorus, and here OH group and hydrogen. Okay, from this one removal of water molecule. Is it clear now? Removal of water molecule. So this is the loss of water on heating. Okay, now you should get that this type of compound H, and here will be the same P double bond O, and here also OH group and oxygen. Okay, anhydride linkage. So this one the oxygen double bond, and here also hydrogen, and this compound is the okay. Now this is the OH group. Now this one is the pyrophosphorus acid. The compound name is pyrophosphorus acid. Okay, this is the pyrophosphorus acid compound. Okay, pyrophosphorus acid compound. And again again you have to take that one more ox, that means you have to remove that one more oxygen compound. Okay, so the same compound from this one how to remove that one more oxygen. So this one is the oxygen atom is removed. So that means removal of oxygen. Okay, removal of oxygen atom, removal of oxygen atom. So here now this the hydrogen double bond O. Okay, now here hydrogen, and this one is the OH group. Okay, OH group. So this is the hypophosphorus acid. Okay, this one is the hypophosphorus acid compound. Okay, this name is here. I will write the name at this place. So actually no space to write the name, so I want to erase here. Okay. Mm, mm. Actually, here no place for this one. After removing water molecule, I am writing the name here only. So that is hypophosphorus acid. Okay, now this one is the hypophosphorus acid compound. Okay, so these are the different type of acids which are one is the two types of acids are there. Okay, thick acids and next the Hus acid. Phosphorus acids are two types. First category is the less number oxygen containing acids and more number oxygen containing acids. Okay, this is the actually this is a very important trick to learn different type of oxides by using this method only. Okay, it is convenient to learn that one. Is it clear now? Thank you.